Massage treatment for neck and shoulder. Press the black and the red switches to start the device. Please load the device with batteries before using it. Press Mode button to switch among different working modes. Mode 1 is random mode, the indicator 1 goes on. Mode 2 is acupuncture mode, indicator 2 goes on. Mode 3 is massage mode, indicator 3 goes on. Mode 4 is digital pressing mode, the indicator 1 and the indicator 3 will go on. Mode 5 is pressing and kneading mode, indicator 2 and the indicator 3 will go on. Mode 6 is thumping mode, the 3 indicators will go on. Mode 1 is recommended. Set parameters. Energy range is 1 to 7. High button is used to raise energy level. Low button is used to lower energy level. Three to 6 is recommended. You can use this device by putting it around your neck, or apply the EMS patches to other areas. EMS patches should be connected to the socket when used. Apply gel evenly to the EMS patches. Apply these patches to the target area. Press the black and the red switches to start the device. 3 to 6 energy level and mode 1 are recommended respectively. Press the black on-off switch again to turn off the device.